This is Pragmatic Girl. Welcome you all. Today I have a most important term called as phobia. It means fear of any object or any situation called as phobia. Let's see the definition. Phobia is a type of anxiety disorder defined by a persistent and excessive fear of an object or situation. It's an anxiety disorder. What is anxiety disorder? It means that people get worried or they easily get anxious about any situation or about any object. They have a lot of fear of any object or situation. So it's a phobia. Today I have 25 most important phobias. So let's see the first. The first is acrophobia. It means fear of height. It's the most common phobia in human beings, that is fear of height. Look at the picture. Here the boy is hiding the view as he is in height and he don't want to see downward as he has a fear of height. Acrophobia. Okay. Moving to next is aerophobia. Aerophobia. Okay. It's a fear of flying. It's another most important phobia, that is fear of flying. You may observe that many people don't want to travel on aeroplanes and they don't want to be on parachutes because they get afraid when they are in air because they have a fear of flying. Aerophobia. Next is agoraphobia. It's a fear of public spaces or public places. Many people don't want to be the part of any public gathering in public places such as parks, halls, cinema halls or malls. So this is called as agoraphobia. Look at the picture, she is afraid of crowd. Next is allurophobia. It's a fear of cat. Okay, it's a small animal. Okay, but many people have the fear of cat, that is allurophobia. Next is amathophobia. Amathophobia, that is fear of dust. It's a common phobia or important phobia that many people are very sensitive. They are very sensitive about dust. They are always trying to cover his mouth or body to avoid dust. Okay. Next is arachnophobia. It's a fear of spiders. It's a small animal with 8 legs like octopus. So many people have fear of spiders. That is arachnophobia. Next is astrapophobia. Astrapophobia. Okay. It's a fear of lightning. Many people many people start crying when they saw the lightning on sky. Okay, because they have a fear of lightning, that is astrapophobia. Next is claustrophobia. It's a fear of closed in space. Okay, some people get afraid when they are in closed space or they are in closed room, they get suffocated. Okay, they have suffocation when they are in closed space. So this is a claustrophobia. Okay, fear of closed in space. Okay, look at the picture. Next is emetophobia. Emetophobia is a fear of vomiting. Many people have the fear of vomiting. Okay, so this is emetophobia. Next is erythrophobia. Erythrophobia. It's a fear of blushing. You may notice that some people don't want to express their views or they always try to hide the blushing. Okay, so they have a fear of blushing, that is emetophobia. Next is xenophobia. It's a fear of sex. It's a common phobia, it's an important phobia, that is xenophobia. Okay, fear of sex. Next is hematophobia. Hematophobia. Okay, hematophobia is a fear of blood. Many people have a fear of blood that they don't want to see blood. They get afraid or worried when blood is coming out from body. Okay, so they have a hematophobia. Hematophobia. Okay. Next is chironophobia. Chironophobia. It's a fear of thunder. Okay, it's a not fear of lightning. It's a fear of thunder. The sound made by the cloud. Okay, many people have the fear of that sound. They get afraid. They get worried. They get anxious when they hear the sound of cloud. during thunder. Okay, so it's a chironophobia. Next is microphobia. It's a fear of germs and small things. Many people have a fear of germs or small things that they thought that these germs and small things are harmful for them, for them. Okay, um, they are very cautious about germs or small things. This is the microphobia. Look at the picture, small pictures, small objects. Next is mesophobia. It's a fear of dirt. Okay, yeah, that is fear of dirt. Okay, many people are, some people are very cautious. They are very cautious about dirt. Okay, they always try to hide their mouth. They always try to protect their body from dirt. Next is nectophobia. It's a fear of darkness, or it is also called as fear of night. Many people have fear of night or darkness. Look at the picture. The boy is very afraid. Okay, as he has a fear of night or darkness. Nectophobia. Next is ochlophobia. Ochlophobia is a fear of crowd. Some people are very afraid of crowd. Okay, they don't want to be the part of crowd. Okay, it's the ochlophobia. Next is ornithophobia, fear of birds. Okay, many people have fear of birds, that is ornithophobia. Next is pathophobia. It's a fear of diseases. Some people are very cautious, or they are very anxious. Okay, they thought that they will get affected by some diseases. Okay, so they always try to contact with doctors. So they have a fear of disease or pathophobia. Next is panigophobia. It's a fear of choking. Okay, panigophobia, fear of choking. Some people thought that someone tried to choke him. Okay, it's a fear of choking. Next is patranophobia. Patranophobia is a fear of feathers. Some people have a fear of feathers. Okay, they don't want to see feathers of different birds or artificial or man-made feathers. Okay, they don't want to see the feathers. It's a fear of feathers, that is patranophobia. Next is pyrophobia. It's a common phobia, that is fear of fire. Many people have a pyrophobia. Okay, they are very anxious when they saw the fire or anywhere. Next is triskaidekaphobia. It's a fear of number 13. Triskaidekaphobia, it's a fear of number 13, that some people have fear of number 13, that they don't like number 13. It's an unlucky number for them. Next is xenophobia. It's a fear of strangers. Okay, many people have fear of strangers, that they don't want to be with strangers, and they thought that strangers will harm them. Okay, last is zoophobia. It's a fear of animals. Many people have fear of animals, as they don't want to be with animals, small as well as large animals such as dog, cat, bat, rat, lion. No one wants to be with lion. They have a phobia. We all have a phobia of lion. Okay, so this is the last phobia of this video. I hope you all have enjoyed it. So please comment below if you have any phobia among these. Okay, write about some incident about that phobia. Okay, thank you for watching. Thank you.